Have you ever heard of something called Salem Tattu Vada? If you've been to Salem, you'd know it's more than just a snack. It's an emotion, a bite of childhood for many. You can recreate this iconic Indian street food right at home. Let's begin, shall we? Start with a big bowl. Into that, toss in a cup each of chopped onions, juicy tomatoes, grated carrot, beetroot, and plenty of fresh coriander. Now sprinkle a teaspoon of chaat masala, red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and just a splash of lemon juice to wake everything up. Here comes the magic, garlic oil. 4 teaspoons straight in. And now for that irresistible crunch. A cup of save, some roasted peanuts, and the real secret, crushed Salem Murukku. Yes, that nutty crackle, that's from broken Murukku bits. Mix it all up. This is called the Salem Murukku. A spicy, tangy, crunchy filling that honestly, you could just eat as is. Now let's make the 2 vibrant chutneys. Just look at that. Crunchy, colorful, and full of flavor. Honestly, this filling alone could be a snack by itself. Have you tasted something like this before? For the green chutney, blend together a cup of fresh mint, coriander, 2 green chilies, grated ginger, a dash of lemon juice, and a little salt. Add a bit of water and grind it into a smooth paste. Green chutney may seem simple, but it's a game changer. The freshness of mint, the bite from green chilies, that little zing of lemon, it ties the whole Tattu Vadai set together. And here's a quick tip. Always use fresh herbs for chutneys. Older leaves can dull the flavor and color. Also, don't overblend. Just pulse it gently with a splash of cold water to keep it bright and vibrant. This chutney should be smooth, but not watery. Think creamy, with just the right punch. Smell that already? That herbal hit? That's your sign. The green chutney is ready. For the red chutney, take onion, tomato, dried red chilies, and garlic, all blended with a pinch of salt and a little water. This one, it's fiery. Handle with care. That red chutney, oh, it's fiery. And exactly what gives that its bold punch. If you like it spicier, toss in an extra chili or 2, or tone it down with a bit of jaggery for a sweet kick. Totally your call. Just make sure it's smooth and balanced. It's the final note that brings that irresistible street food flavor home. Time for the final assembly. The most fun part. Take 1 crisp tattai, spread a spoonful of green chutney, add generous heap of the norkal filling, drizzle some red chutney over it. Now press another tattai on top. There you go. 1 Salem Tattu Vada, set ready to serve. Repeat as many as you like. And don't forget to sprinkle some coriander on top for that finishing touch. Serve it with a hot cup of tea or simply enjoy it on its own. Each bite is crunchy, spicy, tangy, and oh so satisfying. So next time you're craving something bold, fun, and packed with texture. And if you've got your own twist on it, maybe a cheese version or a sweet sour chutney mix, tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Like, share, and subscribe to Spice Pot Club if you love the recipe, because nothing says comfort quite like a Tattu Vadi set done right.